Mentah kesengi sajain, kalai pawaiterik jong ni benai nailar arja apusau, kasain Teresa's Convent, Moralong Jowai, kala penlong ya kajing rakhe ya kajing dap sanpo snem, kajing syakri ya oblay jong sister Cecilia Lyngdoh na kaseng Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians, hang ni haying school jong Katome Memorial Higher Secondary School, Moralong Jowai. Lastangnya kene kasngi na do kapor shipau baje menstep da kamas bakoit ha kaba Father Hilarious Lamare parish priest ka Jowai parish ilalong kongsan rangkat kajing senran lang Father Lawrence Rakusnam Paswet assistant parish priest ka Jowai parish Father Simeon Sungo Father Crescent Roy lalu pat kiwai ki Lyngdoh. Lawan yang simbentalang ha kene kasngi da ki babon ki para bangai ki brother ki sister pat kiwai ki nong sya khot ngobha. Hadin jong kamas bakoi la penlong ya kejingalang ka balangkot ha ka bala ai buram ya sister Cecilia Lyngdoh rangkat kijing Riewai kijing shat bar kijing kren baper. Hadin kane la penbol pat sa kijing pamja bar kijing di sha ngobha. Hang ne ngin yo i ya ki kato kat ni ki benta pekongsan.
Morning, sir. Good morning. Morning, sir. Congratulations, sister.
Morning, sir. We are very excited.
Triumph don rengkat ban pi dajing nang tau la lek no usyakri ubalayo santalen ulalek kayi ban ulayo nam sa santalen kunju usyakri ubalayo artalen ulayo nam sa artalen rei usyakri ubalayo Henry usyakri ubalayo sitalen ulalekno ulati katlio ha katndeu paglabuhi.
It's that problem because of what Sister Cecilia achieved, I think, because God is with her and people are there, especially you religious people. You are living with a group. You are maybe are living with a group, but most of the time alone. That much as you have someone, group to support you. I think there are people who support you, which is a good lesson for all of us. We have to support someone to stand in life. At times we are so individualistic, we forget, I look only for myself, what I am, what I think, and that's not like that. And you have to be someone, not support like that. Someone. Tell me. Yesterday I said the gospel was about 10 virgin, 5 wise, and 5 who were foolish. Those 5 were called wise because they had fun with them. Secondly, because they supported each other. And thirdly, because they persevere. Perseverance is very important virtue. We start our life very nice, but at the end badly. You see many people, they start very well, at the end they end badly. It's a pure man. You know why they have to persevere? What I said from the beginning. They persevere in the book, they persevere in the inn, they persevere above all because God is with them. Continuously they pray to God, God kindly support me. This I think, I imagine what Sister Cecilia had done. She achieved 50 years because God is there. She prayed to God, she persevered, and there are people who support her. Therefore, what I want to end is this. Very nice to see all of us here. Sister, we want to support you. We are behind you. People, you are not in the community. We Read the Gospel of St. John, chapter 21, 15 to 19. Remember, after coming down from Mount Tabor, Jesus asked Peter, Peter, do you love me more than this? First time, yes, Lord. Second time, yes, Lord. Then he asked the third time, hey, what man? Got the shock. Man, Cecilia pun bisa dah. Kas kira hanya lepas arsip sampai kalau orang ni itu insya pun merit nanti jadi Cecilia. Aku jadi apa ni kalau orang besar ini? Yang ini, kalau besar ini, panpon sang terusnya, pandai besok, pandai besok. Many people are celebrating 50 years, celebrate balai. Pergi besok sama, apa babu ini? Pergi sama, ni kalau dah. Jadi besar, ni lu apa? Tapi panpon, kalau itu pergi dah, susah panpon, nama udah pagi. Balai mo yang belum tahu kan, tak belum belum. Hendak sampai dengan sista. Ibu siapa siapa pada day. Siapa Jowai jadi tahu jadi kau mesti kerja jadi, batal kerja jadi. Siapa Jowai jadi batal tahu. Jika pan yang belum try. Ini batal Jowai.
Cuba jogi. Nakabentai Sister Cecilia Lyngdoh ibarakhi yang kecingdap sanpeu snem kecinglang Riewniam jong I mentagsni. Ba inang don berbor hakamet kebokot bekia kenang ba inang la ban ai kecing syukri yang ipai jong ublay bat ya kebalang. Tung ini ya duai.
Kan long bak yang hun, kmat boleh qua betul mo berah. Oh, ketialah kidonu. Dragon Rat, Ublay Johnny. Agak cukup kan, nawa labam, Cecilia kuri, tak kebaai mu ya be, pura ayah ka halak sedran uang, tersin, batu di negara kibaro, namar kane kalau kuri cukup senam jona, jauh berjutang bacimai badam cukup, ya kebaik penni, berta jumpi, tak nak berta kebun, ya nak Manta ka mau tikipo tu le kene ban ken mau yang na
haga Jingiaid rengkat orang Francis ukpa ko jongi u Ferdinand nu bishop jongi bat baro ki Lyngdoh token mau lem ruya gi himen gi PARISH rang bat contain ki bali otia dag bakar men ya ka jingme pa badia baro ki balak lat no ki jing isnai jongme to pediang ki sig jing shai ki kmat jongme to isnai ngi baro ngi karpa yame barengkat bat kamaria Teresa tiba kuy ka kmi jongle uja sabakuy ukurem jongka ki apostol bakuy bat baro kru kuy la pensob ha yame pateng na pateng ngin long ke babet banyo bentalem haka jing bam jugun bat bagini ro bat pendon burom yami dau kun jami uji sukres
Try kadang terboreng kadaki maka di bersyukuran maka Sister Cecilia ni hamba malam si Yesus tu yang ada mulai yang pada tu main makan ya sama yang pada tu Last question. Pasakhat ha ka Jowai Jowai Lyngdoh Jingiaid mame ubah emat basen sha junam la junam in malakasi ka jopi amen doble undang keripi lagi sing mas besar balai panjat na dalam pendat ikan tong boleh sendur labuta jopi
I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand.
The whole world shall rejoice. It praises the triumphant King forever and forever, for the beauty of creation.
Let us end the congregation of the sisters, of the Islamic sisters, and the help of Christian. Therefore, you can sit on the stage. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. God in front of us. It's a beautiful day, sweet, as it is. Prepare for this vocation, the golden jubilee of Sister Cecilia. Ask the Lord to bless this cake. May this cake share.
May your unwavering commitment to your vocation continue to bring light and love to the world. Here's to many more years of blessing.
Ya Cecilia dengan ini pasal kapan ko kung kabila kalau tip perkat kamu boleh burung ini silut silang bagi mereka supaya sepuluh komen boleh Kesnawo ya Cecilia bukan ini nama kita akan beri di pada namun Cecilia sebelum terus ini, kemudian kita Malaysia dipulihkan untuk barang hak lain proses, aslinya berputar KBB, kepada Yesus. Dan berputar KID, ini, simbol definisi KID.
To Sister Cecilia for being the heart of our celebration. Dear Sister Cecilia, once again, your 50 years of dedicated service and unwavering faith have been a beacon of inspiration for us all. Today we celebrated not just a milestone, but an incredible journey of a life dedicated to God and His people. We give thanks to God for the gift of your religious vocation. It is through His grace and calling that you embarked on this beautiful journey 50 years ago, dedicating your life to serving God and His people with love, humility, and unwavering faith.